The entire cryptocurrency industry is waking up to a new reality right now. So if we're checking this, is this maybe possible that 50,000 going to be normal benchmark for Bitcoin? Welcome everybody, it's nice to have you here. I would love to share you my opinion about the crypto market. There's like something ongoing right now, and it's not like the past decades of years. There's something as a big changing coming since this week especially. If you have missed the last bull run, don't lose your heart. There's some good news for you right now. There are many reasons. I will tell you about the most potential, about good returns investments of the crypto market, where it's going to be more and more interesting for many people to invest. We have game-changing companies who are able or owning technologies to bring crypto to your daily normal life. And also there's a whole country which is going to be regulate crypto, and some payment company who related news involving cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. If I start to talk with you about the Bitcoin bullish, it could also cross on weekly charts, paints to 225K price target if the history repeats. It could be definitely possible in many reasons. Not about the history. The day of today is much more different than the history like many years before. Maybe is there like another 5.5 Bitcoin price surge? We have like many shortage would happen to this price indicators in the month. But from is 50,000 going to be the new normal for Bitcoin right now? Exchange balances to network fundamentals firmly in an optimistic mode. In 2017, Bitcoin went from 10,000 to 20,000 in only 18 days as a blow off top. It would not surprise us to see something crazy like that happen before the end of the year. What is going to be next in the Wild West? Recently, there's been much more regularity activity around crypto. Anyone whose business deals with digital assets will need to pay attention. Is 50,000 going to be the new normal for Bitcoin right now? The entire cryptocurrency industry is waking up to a new reality. Politicians and regulators have decided to wade into this space, which has flown mainly under their radar until right now. A House Committee chair is launching a working group. The Securities and Exchange Commission is seeking new authorities to regulate digital assets, securities, and the Senate pace of infrastructure includes 28 billion in tax revenues from crypto transactions. Is 50,000 going to be the new normal for Bitcoin right now? Or is there something big change coming in the crypto market right now? I don't know. Let's see what my opinion has for you. At this point, my name is Don. I'm talking about crypto, and I would love to talk mostly about company related crypto news. Especially if we're checking the crypto news in Bitcoin for this week, we're having like something bullish and also a bearish in the last couple of months, but we was hitting 50,000 benchmark, still which could be possible, which 110,000, some other people say 200,000. If we have the same gains or growth like the last couple of years, it could be definitely possible. And there's a huge potential to get it right now more than later. In that case, let's check some news, what I'm going to have for you in this screen. So with the Bitcoin bullish cross on weekly charts, paints 225K Bitcoin price target if history repeats. There's like a 6-month gains in 450, and the last time it flipped into bullish territory. So let's check this graph. We have it here. And also when it passed through this market, we had a growth from there to the 50,000, but also a growth from here to down, the bullish and the bearish. So it could be a blow off top, and there are many reasons which could be happen in a couple of days as well. So like in 2017, Bitcoin went from 10,000 to 20,000 in 18 days as a blow off top. It would not surprise me to see something crazy like that happen before the end of the year. This is a very good statement, which Anthony Pompliano told to CNBC on Monday. Let's check the next tab I have prepared for you. If I'm talking about reasons, I would love to talk about PayPal. I would love to talk about when Elon Musk tweets, what's the different to now, than before. I would love to talk about the most biggest companies with the most Bitcoins on their balance sheets. Otherwise, I would love to talk about payment related companies like Visa with their crypto strategy. There's also a very, very good payment related, data related company where I'm going to be deeply into it, who's going to build a decentralized Bitcoin exchange. Let's check this business in detail and why it's going to be a normal life for Cuba to have cryptocurrencies in their daily life. So the reasons for this video today are game-changing companies who are able to bring crypto in your daily life, and the whole country which is going to be regulate crypto, and some payment company related news involving in cryptocurrency including Bitcoin and Ethereum. At the next stop, I want to talk about, this is a little piece of history. It's a huge domino that just fell, and essentially what this means is you're not going to be able, anything you can do with cash in Cuba, you can now do with cryptocurrency. You can pay your taxes, you could buy a load of bread and go to the store, and if you go and say, hey, I want to pay in Bitcoin, the legally countrywide rules have to recognize it and accept it. So let's have a check about the payment related companies. Payment related companies means PayPal launches crypto buying and selling in the UK. So London, in the beginning of this week, PayPal will allow customers in the UK to buy, sell and hold Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies starting this week, the company said on Monday. So the rollout, which marks the first international expansion of PayPal, one of the biggest payment companies of the world, cryptocurrency services outside of the United States could inspire further mainstream adoption of the new asset class. With over 403 million active accounts globally, the San Jose, California-based company is one of the largest mainstream financial companies to offer consumer access to cryptocurrencies. That's a good money case. PayPal launched cryptocurrency buying and selling in the United States early this year, later enabling customers to use their digital coins holdings to shop at the millions of merchants on its network. So if you paid with PayPal in the past, you can pay with digital coins in the future from there. So we are not so far from the real world with cryptocurrency, digital wallet, and the company hoped its foray into the new asset class would encourage global use of virtual coins and prepare its network for new digital currencies that may be developed by corporations and central banks. We are committed to continue working closely with regulators in the UK around the world to offer support. So what does it mean? A lot of companies like e-commerce companies, they have regulation in each country, especially for example in European. I'm coming from Germany. We have like tax regulation, we have billing regulation, we have high taxes. A lot of e-commerce companies who are going to be new in the German market, they're coming from outside, maybe American company. They have like special regulation in tax law, and also it's not easy to connect it with the companies. If we are an e-commerce provider, it's kind of hard to bring in the PayPal bills or the PayPal payment bills, especially to regulation. But there's also like a very big interest from the government to have cryptocurrencies connected to the finance, commerce and tax statements. So it could be more easier to regulate the tax billing and payment system through the government. So in the UK, PayPal service will rival that of established cryptocurrency exchanges such as Coinbase, for sure, as well as fintech startups like Revolut, where you also can pay or buy cryptocurrency through your banking account. Customers will be able to buy Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash through their PayPal wallets online on their mobile app. So it could be very interesting to have a watch about the Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, because there are maybe good reasons for them to use this coin or regulate this coin or provide this service with these coins, where you can really buy something, sell something, or borrow or give your friend the money back by coins. It could be very companies with the most Bitcoin on their balance sheet. This is also very interesting for you to check. So Michael, I want to talk with you about the 5 biggest companies who has the most Bitcoin on their balance sheets. So one big company is MicroStrategy. They recently doubled down on Bitcoin by once more adding more of the cryptocurrency to its balance sheet. MicroStrategy is owning the most Bitcoin of the public traded companies. To check the numbers, the company has bought 3,907 Bitcoins. It's like a lot of money, and they bought it at an average of 26,769. So it's doubled. The Bitcoin price right now should be around 45,000 or 50,000. You know about Tesla. Tesla has the electric vehicle giant invested. You know about Tesla. Tesla is the electric vehicle giant invested like 1.5 billion as an initial investment. So it's just the beginning for them. And this happened this year and was a big game changer for many in the crypto market already. We have Galaxy Digital Holdings and Voyage Digital. Even I don't know them really. I would know more about Square. Who is Jack Dorsey? What is Square and why are they owning 8,027 Bitcoin with a current value of 386 million as one company? Let's have a look on Square's homepage and I will explain you that. And there's owners from small restaurants, big restaurants, they providing technologies and software as a payment providing system in a terminal. Also, they provide like reader for a small business owner, like the electrician or someone who's selling something in a daily life. The smart reader where you can use for your iPhone or also for your Android phone. You can connect this to your smartphone to be able to receive payments by credit card or debit card. And if they started to build out a cryptocurrency market right now, they have a plan, right, to check Bitcoin as an exchange in their technology system. And they have, maybe you have seen these systems. These are like iPads, you're sitting on a restaurant, they're putting your order directly in the kitchen, writing bills with it. You can push your card in front of it and insert, tap or swipe to pay. In the future, you just use your smartphone, even you have a wallet or just know your code, you can pay with this. They have a very well established payment system for the point of sale market. So there's a transforming in the payment from the offline world to the online world happens. And they're owning much more data about about payment, about the consumers. For sure, if you're buying a burger and you buy 3 times in a week, for sure this system has it registered for you. So it always know which kind of burgers and how you like it. And do you like it with double cheese or not? And it's all related to your wallet and a data safe if you can imagine. Because Square's new division is working on a Bitcoin decentralized exchange. So for sure there's one exchange, but also there will be open source and permissionless, yet allow users to fund any wallet using fiat currency. So what does it mean in another point? We have like for sure the fiat currency, which is going to be replaced for these points if you want. So you can go to the cashier and pay and say, hey guy, I want to pay with a Bitcoin, and he will don't care how you pay, like you're going to the restaurant, you just swipe over your card or just push the QR code for the wallet to pay with it. It could be possible with Square's Cash app to buy and sell Bitcoin as well. You can get out for the leading cryptocurrency is immense, and the financial service firm plans to do a lot more in this space. So what could it be more in that space? So if you not only pay with it, you can also send and split bills. You can send bills to your friends and say, hey, I have this bill, we pay together, and I can split it to you through blockchain in a real time. And also the transaction cost for there is free. I don't need to get money or cash anywhere. I don't need to have a credit card anymore, just use my phone. Also, it's possible to use it by a watch. It's easy to use and most quick. So there's no timeline for when Square aims to launch TBD, but at least now we have a sense of what the firm is building along its previously announced hardware wallet. And even the people have a plan what they're going to do they also have the resources, the power to implement new technology, also crypto payment, and with one click on all their point of sale system. So this is very interesting for sure. Check this out and check which kind of businesses in the future can use Bitcoins in their point of sale. So it could be food and beverage, from every kind of type of business, from coffee shops to full service restaurants like bars, ghost kitchens like online delivery kitchens. You can also have professional services like beauty, health and fitness, home and repair services, for sure enterprise company, and the retail market where you're going to sell or buy clothes. So there are many reasons for that, and they are saving a lot of money for business. So many business need to have assistants like that, and it could be very interesting for their customer to pay through their Square POS system.